What's up, everybody? Just got home a few minutes ago. I saw a little tag from FedEx. Realized I missed one, so I had to call them. They came back, brought the newest part for Osmo-based V2 for Sundown Audio Nightshade V3s. Let's take a good look at these bad boys. Yeah, comb. My back's officially hurting after this. The triple stack magnets on here. It's a monster. Really excited about it, but like I said, ×4 here. Still be running on 2NS1s, which are hiding over there underneath the blankets. But there you go.